Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Have you ever thought what kind of people you are surrounded by? Your friends, your family, whom you go along with, whom you spend a lot of time. Let me tell you a small story that happened with me about 2 weeks ago. So, there was this gentleman who had walked into me for counseling, and we were talking, and he said that he was really upset and sad most of the time, and he was not able to get over this kind of morose attitude, and he's finding it difficult. He's getting more and more into that kind. His work is kind of stagnant. He's not able to think beyond what can be added, what can be done, and he feels stuck. I'm sure a lot of us in our life have a phase where we feel this way. The very first thing, the very first exercise that I asked him to do was to take a pen and paper and just make a list of 5 people whom you are surrounded by, whom you go around with, right? So he made this list, and then I told him to describe a little in detail about each one of them and the amount of time he spends with them. So then he came up with, almost about 4 people and almost 5, all of them, saying that they are also not doing very well in their work, and even they are upset. Somebody's having a personal issue, somebody's having a health problem, and somebody's, having financial losses, somebody's having. Basically, all the 5 people in the list had issues. So then I told him that if you have to give me another 5 names or give me a list of people that whom you would, you spend less time with, and who are maybe not as in a bad situation as the other 5 are that you meet regularly and spend time with. Then he came up with another 5 names, and then there was this 7th or the 8th name that he told me is one of his friend where he doesn't meet him very often. But yes, he's just started off with his new business about 2-3 years ago, and he seems to be doing really well. So I just told him, next 3 to 4 weeks, make it a point that you catch up with this guy at least once a week. If you're not able to meet twice, but at least once a week, spend good amount of time with him. Like maybe you can catch up for a dinner or some, playtime, going out with him for bowling, casually, like whatever you do, just do that with him and spend more time with him. My dear friends, after 6 weeks, this guy saw this positive change in him and his thinking. He spent most of the time hanging around with this gentleman, meeting him over the weekend, spending time talking to him, where he himself came back and told me that, Neha, I didn't understand what you were trying to tell me, or, what was the whole idea of making me do this exercise. But consciously, when he did this, he realized that the kind of people around you or you hang out with makes a world of difference to your mental mindset and to your growth. You would have heard a lot of people saying, a lot of speakers talking on this, saying that, be around positive people, be around successful people, and automatically you will see that change in you. It is a true fact. Please, as an exercise, all of you can experiment this with yourself. Take a piece of paper, write the first 5 to 10 names of the people that you're surrounded by, and just think about it, and then think. I'll give you a nice way of even thinking the other side. Just think about them and think that, how if you would want, your kids to be also spending the same amount of time that you spend with that list. If your answer is yes, then very good. You are with the right set of people and you are in the right direction. But if your answer is no, then I think you should reconsider that list. See, there'll be always people around, who will be very negative, cribbing, always crying that my fate isn't good, that whatever I try and do, it doesn't work. There will be times when that happens to us as well. But that is the time when we should be surrounded by positive people who can give us that mind and pull us back and say, no, there is nothing that is called impossible. And everything can happen. Maybe today was not your day. Today was a bad day, or today was a hard day, or this is a difficult time period. But this will move on. You will get over this and you will achieve and you will grow. Trust me, you will see the difference in yourself, in your growth, in your mental health, in your mental peace of mind, as well as your growth in terms of your work, every aspect. So be sure, this is a very important aspect in life, that we should be surrounded by the right people. So do give my activity a try and let me know how many of you were able to figure out those bad weeds that until date you never thought of it and made this change. Try making that shift and how it has impacted you, and is that it has impacted you positively in your mind, in your health, and in your work. Do let me know how it worked. Until then, it's me, Neha, saying bye.